Alright, what's up? So we're back. We just did the retro mini box, and it's now about 8:28. We got Totally Certified and Valor to go on the 3-boxer. No problem, Andy. I'll talk to you about that in a sec here when I finish this one up on how we'll do that. So we got Totally Certified, 6-pack, 6 hits, 3 autos. Latner for the Steelers. Alright, thank you. From doing some of the college ones, some of the old school guys I figure out from previous breaks, figuring out where to ship them, but I forget. There's a lot to keep up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So this is 2012, Totally Certified. 6 packs, 6 hits. Good luck, everybody. It's our second box of the 3 for the break. Which way are we going? Alright, first up, Christian Ponder for the Vikings. Tom Brady. Calvin Johnson. Eddie Mack. And first hit, good luck, everybody. It's for the Cowboys. Morris Claiborne. Freshman Phenom rookie auto for the Cowboys. Morris Claiborne, number 27 of 99. Nice auto. Pack 2. Chris Johnson. Jerome Bettis. Vincent Jackson. Larry Fitzgerald, parallel number 166 of 199. I'll show the front of that in a sec after the hit. Good luck. Looks like Matt Castle, Joe Montana, Priest Holmes. Stitches in Time. Chiefs Trio, Matt Castle, Joe Montana, and Priest Holmes. Nice card. Chiefs fan, congrats on that. This is 36 and 93. Anyway, that does say 36 of 93. And it is all game worn. Nice hit for the Chiefs fan. And the Fitzgerald parallel number to 199. Pack 3. Phillip Rivers. Bob Greasy. Arian Foster. Sidney Rice. Third hit. Also for the Chiefs. Jamal Charles, Platinum Red. $85 of $299. Three packs to go. Alright, we have Roddy White, Torrey Smith, Chris Collinsworth, Steve Smith, and hit down and dirty, Isaiah Peed for the Rams. Isaiah Peed. Patch from the jersey, one color. Down and dirty. 13 of 49. For the Rams. Alright, we have Kellen Winslow, Sr., Jay Cutler, Sean Green, Oh, I think that might mean something good. This thing would focus. Sorry, the camera's not focusing too well, but what that says is, congratulations, you have won a Panini HRX video trading card. So we'll see who that is in a moment. And there was also, for the Bengals, George Iloka rookie auto. 71 of 290 on the Iloka. And somebody's in for a treat. Alright, so for our redemption, good luck. Somebody will be happy, I believe. HRX video card for the Colts. Sorry for the focus, but yeah, that says Andrew Luck, HRX video card. Wow. Congratulations. I believe Elmanon had the Colts. Congrats. We still got a pack to go. These HRX cards are pretty sweet. It's actually not a redemption. It's well, I mean, you send it in or whatever, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a gigantic thing. Oh, they didn't auto him this year? That does suck if they didn't auto him. Pierre Garçon, Steve Johnson, Greg Little, Alex Smith, Platinum Red. Last hit from Totally Certified is another redemption. Freshman Fabric, Platinum Red. Brian Quick will be for the Rams. Brian Quick. Another Ram. Alright guys, we got one box to go. This is Valor. This will be the last box of the break. Thanks again everybody for joining. Appreciate it. And subscribe to my Vaughn TV page below. Well, follow, whatever it's called on here. Alright, last box. We have Mario Williams, I believe. 128 of 170 for the Bills. Paul's Cards, what's going on? It's going to be our first card. Next up, we have DeVere Posey for the Texans. 3-color. On-card auto number 26 of 26. DeVere Posey. Really sorry about the camera tonight. Not focusing too well. It's still waking up from last night's breaks. So DeVere Posey, RPA. Next up, for the Browns, congratulations. You just got yourself a Trent Richardson rookie autograph. On card number 57 of 75, T. Rich going to the Browns. Congratulations. Next up, how do they do these? I think we got an extra hit. That's cool. For the Titans, what's up, J-Dog? Yes, J-Dog, there are. I just hopped on a little bit ago. For the Titans, this is hit number 3, 27 of 50. So we got an extra rookie auto. There should have only been 2. We got 3. That's always good. Hit number 4. Pulled this before. That's Denarius Moore. Vet auto for the Raiders. 295 of 500. Denarius Moore for the Raiders. And our 5th hit, we did get an extra. Good luck, everybody. For the Seahawks, this will be the patch. Looks like Robert Turbin. Field Armor, number 11 of 70. Robert Turbin. Alright, everybody, that was the break. Had that Robert Turbin, Denarius Moore, Kendall Wright, Trent Richardson. Devere Posey, extra hit. Out of Valor, that was cool. Like extra hits. From Retro, had a Mark Barron, blue PMG, Russell Wilson insert, Brandon Whedon, rookie auto, Melvin Ingram, and Mark Barron, rookie autos. And from Totally Certified, we had Brian Quick, George Iloka, Isaiah Peed down in Dirty Patch, Jamal Charles, Chiefs Trio, Game Used, Joe Montana, Priest Holmes, Matt Castle, Mo Claiborne, and we actually got an extra hit out of Totally Certified as well with the Andrew Luck HRX video card. Alright, thanks everybody for joining. Definitely appreciate it, and hope to see y'all in the future. Thanks again, guys and gals.